Okay, got the camera. I think I got everything I need. I don't know. Any clothes? It's so typical of me to now forget something important, and then as soon as I go, then I remember it, you know? Okay guys, so this is the start of a very special vlog. I've never done any vlogs like this ever before. This is not gonna be a vlog where I start off in the morning. Now I start off at night. It's around 11 p.m. and I'm about to start a vlog. Which is kind of weird, right? Because I never do that. But I'm on a road trip to Oslo from Bergen, which is gonna be an 8-hour drive. And yeah, I thought it'd be awesome to bring you guys with me. Okay. Final touches, and then I think we might be ready for Oslo. Maybe. Soul's growing so much. Anna. Bye. Okej, där må gå. Ska du ha reklam? Där ska vi. Selvfølgelig. Greit. Vi snakkes. Ha det bra. It's midnight and I'm about to go to Oslo. What the fuck? There we got the ride. What up?
Allt du ska med dig.
Hey bro.
Ja, fan där.
Oh fuck, där måste skolan. Prepping for Oslo, man. Check this out. Motorbike, garage, and this is the workout place you guys got. This is kind of cool. I mean, yeah, my favorite place is here, definitely. So we got a tanning bed and we got a sauna. That's crazy. Guys, the most important part is bringing the cola. Oslo! Everybody gonna It is stängt.
No pizza.
What the fuck? They're closed! It's a gas station and they're closed. Really? Okay guys, so I just wanted to say we're at Voss, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about Voss water, haven't you? That's super expensive clean water or whatever. That is where we are at right now actually. Voss, oh my god. I need some of that Voss water. It's gonna clean my system out. Is that gas station open? Isn't there
Yeah, it's just that one. Maybe it is open.
There should be like.
Is it in here?
Yeah, but yeah, go in.
Here?
Yeah. But I don't think it's open though. Why is the gas stations closed? It doesn't make sense. Woo! Dude, it's dead though. Like there's nobody out.
Gas station.
Yeah,
it's a gas station.
Go. Oh my god. Whoa! I haven't slept today. I woke up at around 8 a.m. this morning and it's now 1:22 a.m. So I've been up for, I don't know, like 14 hours, about 14 hours, I'm not sure. Can this thing focus? What the hell? Don't mind my hair though, it's messed up. Anyway guys, it doesn't matter if you see me or not. I just wanted to say that, yeah, we got a lot of stuff left. There we go. What's up? Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. 'Cause nobody wanna see us together. Nobody thought we last forever. Hey! Can you guys see this? They are really escorting us all the way to Oslo. I'm just kidding, guys. Of course not. Oh shit, what's going on? Oh my god, you gotta be so cold working now. Bye! Ah, that's nice. Okay guys, I'm not even kidding when I'm saying this, but this is no man's land. There's nothing here, there's only roads and snow. So I just want to step out the car so you can see this. Like there is nothing here, we're in the middle of nowhere, honestly. Guys, look at this, you can see shit. I can feel your heart beating in my chest. I can feel your heart beating in my chest. We can't see anything. There's so much snow here. What the hell? This is kind of scary, dude. This is actually freaking me out because we can't see anything. This is cool and scary at the same time. The clock is 3:18 a.m. and we're in the middle of no man's land and can't see shit. Dude, chill. Dude, it's only getting worse. What the? Where is the road? What's going on? Look at this. What the fuck? We can't see anything. What the fuck? No man land. What the fuck am I doing? Okay, cut knock. I'm done. You can hardly see anything. Alright guys, so the clock is around 6:20 a.m. and my friend over here is sleeping. And I'm super tired. And you can see that the sun is starting to come up a little bit right now, but I feel great, and this has been a lot of fun so far. I've just been chilling, driving by myself, I guess, listening to music, and yeah. My hair looks like a mess, I look like a mess, and he definitely looks like a mess. Anyway guys, the clock is, wait, let's see. The clock is 6:25 a.m. and I just stopped by this gas station. Yeah, I'm super tired, but I'm still in a very good mood though. It's very like chill, listening to music, and you know, just driving high speed at the motorway. But now let's see if we can wake my friend up and maybe actually go buy something to eat, because I'm starving. I haven't been eating for 10 hours probably, and I don't think he has as well. So yeah, let's do it. Hey Odin, you wanna go buy some food? There he is. Kanske bäst. Lypsyl. Oh my god. Get your shit, oh my god. Okej, kan du ta, då tar jag en sån och så tar jag en vanlig istället för. Det är samma vilken vanlig tar sån? Ja. Okej, ja. Och så den här där. Så man till den. This makes me so happy right now. Oops. No, but this makes me so happy. You guys have no idea how hungry I am right now. I'm hungry. Hungry, which means hungry and angry. What the fuck am I doing? Huh?
Stop me now. Stop me.
Cause I'm having a good
Separation time. Passing by. Like legging a dagger.
jävligt skål. Stopping me.
Ja, hur ska vi?
Jag vet inte.
Gå med telefonen så finner du ut det.
Okay, so just go left here. I miss your grandpa. Right there. That's his house. This is his house. Ska vi la lite ting nu ligga eller? För bara ta det med mig en gång. Ja, bara ta det med mig en gång. 9 hours of traveling. Oh god. Finally, we are here. Finally. Thank you guys so much for watching tonight's vlog. I guess it'll be. Now, if this is the first time you're checking out my videos, make sure to subscribe to become part of the best family on YouTube. Also, give this video a like. It would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, good night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.